everybody is doing great today. Today I am going to cook Rajma, Punjabi style. Tadka of mine. So please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Let's go for an ingredient. Cheers. So let's get start cooking. So we have Rajma soaked overnight. We're gonna pressure cooker for 3 whistles. Add water, salt, 1 spoon, and we're gonna give a whistle, 3 whistles in this. Let this cook. Till then, we'll do a masala in this. Heat a pan. Pan is heat. We're gonna add oil in this. 1 cup of oil. And we're gonna fry onions in this. So 2 chopped onions. We're gonna add 6 chilies, 6-7 chilies, it depends on your taste. If you want spicy, you can add more chilies. So we're gonna fry this for 3 minutes, that's it. So then we're gonna add our tomatoes and add our spices in this. So we're gonna fry this till the onions give the sweat. Then we're gonna add our masalas in this. Now you can see it's become little pink. So we're gonna add our tomatoes in this. One spoon of salt, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and mix it well. So you can add ginger garlic paste while the onions are cooking, otherwise you can add it together. It gives you a different taste altogether. So I like this way, so I do it in this way. So cook this for 3 minutes. So now the tomatoes have been melted. So we're gonna add our masalas in this. So 2 spoons of Kashmiri Lal Mirch. I'm going to use Kashmiri Lal Mirch because it gives you a good color. I'm going to use coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to use turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon. Garam masala, again it's in homemade, so 1 tablespoon. And little bit of coriander leaves. Mix it well. We're gonna grind this and make a soft paste. You see how beautiful the color has come. So it's almost done now. So we're gonna take this, cool it, and then grind it and make a paste of it. So we're gonna take this into a jar and grind this. Grind this and make a paste of it. Now you can see it's cooked, well cooked. It's into proper, soft. Now we're gonna make our tadka, my style of tadka. So we're gonna use desi ghee in this. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of desi ghee. I'm gonna add 1 cinnamon stick and add jeera in this. And we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri lal mirch. It gives you a good color in this. So I'm gonna use Kashmiri lal mirch. You can use normal mirch also, but I prefer to use Kashmiri lal mirch. You can see our masala is finely grinded, so I'm going to add this masala in this. Then we will add rajma in this. You need to cook this till the color goes to brown. And we're going to let this up. Cooked it for say 3 minutes and we're gonna add our coriander leaves in this. Here we go with our coriander. It gives you really nice taste. And we're gonna let this up back. After cooking for say 5 minutes, we have this result. It's slowly the color is getting into brown. So it's almost done. We're gonna cook for say 2 more minutes and then it's done. Now it's ready. And take it in a bowl. You can see how beautiful the color is come. Take it in a bowl. Let's go. We go butter and a little bit of coriander. We're gonna manage this with coriander. You can see how beautiful it's come. We're gonna taste this. Hey, you can see how beautiful it's come. Please do try this at home and give me a feedback. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. For more updates, you have to wait for me. Cheers. Have a nice day.